arm in arm. At dinner. At first. At first sight. At first glance. At hand. At home. At last. At least. At night. At peace. At present. At risk. At sunrise. At dawn. At sunset. At war. At work. By bus. By chance. By check. By heart. By means of. By mistake. By name. By plane. By word of mouth. Come down to earth. Day after day. Day and night. Day by day. Face to face. For ages. For example. For instance. For fun. 4 hours. From beginning to end. From cover to cover. From memory. From side to side. From top to bottom. Hand in hand. Husband and wife. In outer space. In addition.